finished product with his orange scented. He even used the Commit to Excellence sticker.
I did.
Yay.
So I got myself a monkey sticker and a cat sticker on the back.
Fabulous.
Fire.
Fire! Flame delights, right? It's all about light up your life, man. That's fabulous. All right. Thanks. Finish.
Ducky.
Oh, it's a ducky she put. That's so cute. Thank you.
And it's purple because they're lavender scents that are.
Oh, bad. Great idea. Great idea.
I've made no area all grown. I've made orange lotion.
Nice.
So my hands smell very citrus-like.
Love it. It'll bring back the springtime in the winter. It's perfect.
That was the goal when I was
Love it.
concoction.
Love it. Thank you. Thank you, Jack. That's fabulous.